gear train B. So let's see what happens when I put the crank here. What do you notice about the output or the driven over here? What do you notice about that gear? Now watch what happens if I take the crank and put it over here. Now watch what happens. What do you notice about that output gear or that driven gear there? What do you notice is happening? What could you say? Notice I can go this direction also. So gear train B.